KidsVision TV.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am coloring a mermaid and seahorse. Let's start by coloring. First I am coloring its hair with orange color. I love to draw mermaid very much. Color in mermaid red, a long red. Oh, our spread is looking so nice. Now I am coloring its face with the skin color. I am going to color its body and its arm and its tummy. Let's color its shell. Then I am coloring its tail with pink color. Oh, it's looking so pretty. Yellow color. Let's color its body with sea green color. Let's color in crown. Oh, I love this pretty mermaid very much. Let's color its cheeks. It's time to color a seahorse. Let's color its crown with yellow color. I am coloring in seahorse light purple color. Oh, the mermaid and sea crown is looking so nice. Let's color its tail. I am coloring its wing with yellow color. Let's color the seahorse tummy with rainbow color. Sea green color. Purple color. Light pink color. Light green color. Orange color.
Subscribe us for more videos.